The following clip is from a previously recorded episode of the Cherish Each Moment podcast.
Last thing I want to talk about is the price increases, particularly in the equipment market. And I think we're all aware of that. I see posts about this on social media all the time. And I put out a video recently about the Time Master from Toro and the comment section. That's all I'm going to say. The comment section. We could spend an entire additional segment here on price increases everywhere else, like on fertilizer and grass seed. But for now, I think it's good to take some time and just talk about the equipment. To be honest, in my opinion, inflation coupled with supply issues for manufacturers is probably going to hurt sales for these companies. They're going to feel it. As much as it hurts us to even think about paying these higher prices, which I'm telling you now, most people are just not going to do it. It's going to hurt the companies too, because they're not going to see the profits that they're used to seeing. And they're going to see it the most in the homeowner market, unfortunately. Like I said, I made a video about this, about the big price increase on Toro's Time Master. If you didn't see that, the short version of that story is when I bought my Time Master in 2019, I bought it for $999 plus tax. When I made that video, it was retailing for $1,499, and that was just a couple months ago. That was right before I left for the Equip Expo in October. So early October, it was retailing for $1,499. Today, when you go to Home Depot's website, that same Toro Time Master is listed for $1,599. And no, I'm not goofing and telling you the price on the electric start option. There's always been two options when you buy the Toro Time Master. You can get it with or without electric start, and the option for electric start has generally always been an additional $100. So now that model is coming in at $1,699. Crazy. This week, Owlet Mowers made a post on their U.S. Instagram page. At least that's where I got this information from, that they are going to be raising prices as well. Here's what the caption on their post says. Quote, "Big price increases coming, ! Order your mower and or cartridges at current 2022 prices before year ends, ! We apologize in advance, but starting January 1st, 2023, we'll be implementing significant price increases across all our units and cartridges, ! Global raw good costs have massively increased these past couple of years, and unfortunately, we have to pass these on, ! Please be aware that pricing will be going up, but around 25 to 30%, ! In parentheses, depending on the product, ! We strongly advise getting your mower and or cartridges before the end of the year to beat this increase, ! Get yours while stocks last, ! I appreciate this transparency, but man, if you've ever priced an Owlet mower, you already know they are significantly priced homeowner real mowers. Now you know you can expect to see the price go up 25 to 30% next year. So, if you're in the market for an Owlet reel mower, get it now. Because now, if you think about it, they're on sale. They're 25 to 30% off right now. If you wait, you're going to be paying 25 to 30% more. And what bothers me the most about these price increases we're seeing is that we as consumers are not benefiting at all from it. We are the ones eating the cost without even the slightest new feature. Let's go back to Owlet's post here. Global raw good costs have massively increased these past couple of years, and unfortunately, we have to pass these on. Well, who are they passing it on to? The consumer. So the consumer has to eat this, which stinks. And what bothers me the most is that we're getting the same product at a higher cost. The specs for the Toro Time Master haven't changed since I purchased mine in 2019. If you buy a brand new Time Master today for $1,600, you're getting the exact same mower I have at a 62% premium. And I imagine it will be the same case for Owlet as well. So yeah, I predict less people will be buying new equipment for a while, especially homeowners, the DIY market. The last couple of years, at least for my family, have stretched the budget with gas prices, grocery prices, and other general costs of living. It's going to take extra time to save up for those new lawnmowers. And it's not just the Time Master or the Owlet. You're going to see this across the board. It's going to affect string trimmers. It's going to affect all equipment. And if you're interested in transitioning to battery-powered equipment, the price is going to be even higher for you. Think about the 60-volt Time Master that's coming out this spring. You think $1,600 is expensive for a Time Master with gas, you're going to be in around the neighborhood of $23.99 for the battery-powered Time Master. So buckle up, because we are getting into a pretty interesting time period as far as pricing goes on equipment, and it'll be kind of interesting to see how it turns out for people.